In the whimsical Whiskerwood forest lived a fluffy little dog named Pip. One sunny morning, Pip let out a mighty, magical yawn. It wasn't just any yawn. It floated like a sparkly bubble and drifted towards Barnaby the bear, who was busy juggling berries. The bubble popped, and Barnaby yawned so wide he dropped all his berries. The yawn bubble then bounced to Squeaky the squirrel, who yawned and fell right off his branch, landing softly on a mushroom. The whole forest was caught in a sleepy, giggling spell.